This is Kevin from Reese Roofing at 16 Gloria Lane, Monroe, New Jersey, doing a repair attempt. There are over 100 damaged shingles on this roof. There have already been prior repairs done on this roof. This is one of them. There was damage around those shingles. There was another repair attempt performed over here, which caused damage around those shingles. We have another repair over here, which caused damage around those shingles. Let's see, I don't know if there's any others on this roof. These are all the chalk marks from your adjuster that you sent out. Those are the only repair attempts that we have currently. We will be doing a repair on this shingle over here. These are the shingles above the repair site. A lot of adjusters ask me why I pull nails from the two rows above. It's because the shingle width extends to that nail line 2 rows above. So underneath it's held in by these nails. I'm also asked a lot of times to perform a repair using the roof snake. This is a good tool to use, however it's not perfected. The manufacturer requires nails to be installed flat against the shingle. It cannot be diagonal, crooked in any way, shape, or form. Once you put this nail underneath, the only way to get the final the nail head flush against the shingle is to have this part flat against the roof surface. When doing so, it makes this portion of the tool It has to be on the shingle as well, so when you strike it with the hammer, you wind up indenting onto these shingles, kind of simulating a hail strike, and that damage shouldn't be there after the repair. I will show you what I mean. Still winning crooked. Another issue with the tool is it's very squirrely. The nails don't want to do what you want them to do. So after the repair, we got damage forming on the shingle, similar to the damage that was found prior on the other repairs. In my opinion, this roof cannot be repaired, it must be replaced.